Hey, it's me, Alice, and today we're going to be making a rainbow caterpillar. Whoa, like a rainbow. Okay guys, so the supplies you need today is a circle cutter, also the Gorilla Glue stick, sticker letters, and 7 different colors of paper. 9 of them actually. I just counted too fast, I guess. So, the colors for the caterpillar is pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So you can use any colors you want, but I want to make a rainbow one because I love rainbows. Okay, so the green one right here is for the grass, because we're going to make grass onto the card, which is the white paper. If you don't see it, I'm going to pick it up. Here it is. Okay, so you also need scissors and a marker. Because if you don't have this, you can use scissors. Okay, let's get started, guys. But you also need a circle cutter. But if you don't have that, just the scissors. So I already pre-cut in my circles. 2 inch for the head, and the rest is 1.5 inch. So let's start by folding the paper and then making the grass. Let me put some of this stuff away. Okay guys, so I already folded this in half, so let's start by making the grass. Okay, first you fold this in half, then you fold it again. So it's going to look like this. And then you just grab your scissors and just start cutting. I feel like I'm going to cut up confetti. Okay, so it's all cut. Then we open it. Here, this is how it looks. Then you grab your line cutter. But if you don't have a line cutter, then you just use your scissors and cut a straight line. Ready? Now. Here it is. Okay, so now grab the white paper and you face the opening of the card to you. It looks like a computer. Pretend you're using your computer. Okay, so the grass goes on the bottom part of this. Okay, so let's put some glue right here on the very bottom. Okay, so grab your grass and put it right on the bottom. Okay, so now that I just finished, make sure you just try to curl up the ends of it. Like that. This one got stuck there. This is going to be a happy birthday card for my grandma. Yeah, birthday, I'm going to make you one too. I'm just going to make it a bit messy like that. Whoa! So now it's time to make the caterpillar. Look, a caterpillar here, a caterpillar there. I'm holding one in my hand. See it? Want to pet it? Hey, that tickles. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay, so now we use glue red, because I already glued pink. Now orange. Now for green. And remember guys, we don't have to do it right because we're kids. Besides, we're just trying to make stuff. So don't forget to have fun, be creative, and have more fun. Bloop, bloop. And bam! Now time for the eyes. I really like using googly eyes, guys. It makes things feel better. But if you don't have googly eyes, it's okay. Just draw them with your marker. So we already have the googlies on. Hold on. Something's missing! Don't you see? Okay guys, so now we're gonna do the smiley face. I'm thinking about putting eyelashes. The eyelashes. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Now the antennas. Antenna 2, antenna 3, antenna 4 antennas. Now we put this away and grab this. So these are little jewelry stickers. Can you see that? That's a little glitter. Yeah, that's them. I'm gonna put little darker ones because it'll, and I'm gonna add probably, and I'm putting these little stickers right on top of the antennas to make it look cute. This one's sticking. Bam. And ba-bam. Now it looks like the caterpillar has earrings on. Now my caterpillar needs some legs, guys. Okay, now let's use a marker to draw the legs on the caterpillar. Use all of this up. Done. Yep. Since I don't have enough stickers to write happy birthday, then I'm gonna use a marker. H A P P. No, seriously, there's two P's. Y B I R T H J. Happy birthday! Okay guys, I'm all done. This is how it looks. Okay guys, I hope you liked this. Please remember to like and subscribe and click the bell button. Bye. Peace.